support us since the first minute until the last minute. About the Bali team, they're going to play with 5 foreign players because, as you know, number 9, the striker, he is foreign but have already national Indonesian passport. So it's going to be a tough game. Our players know these players. Opponent team know our players also. So I just want that the environment tomorrow going to be excellent, and after I hope that we can be more happy than them at the end of the game.